Welcome to Fun Art Class! Hi everyone! I'm your teacher Sally. Today you're going to have a class with me. Friends, then do you know what will we make today? Yes! Today we're going to make a phone holder. I made a phone holder like this. Then you can put your phone on it, then it will hold your phone. So today you need to prepare glue, a colorful paper if you want, scissors, pencil, some colorful pens to decorate it, and 2 A4 papers to make the phone holder thick, okay? Now it's time to begin our class. But before we begin, if you like this program and would you like to be part of us, you can SMS us through the number on your screen. You can give us a call or send us picture what you made in this class. Also, we have Facebook page and on YouTube, you can go and search GBS TV Africa. Then you can watch many other episodes. And don't forget to give us feedback, okay? Now, it's really time to begin our class. Friends, are you ready? Okay, let's go! So, it's time to make. So, with the glue, you put the glue only the side of the A4 paper. So, only side you put the glue. Okay. We will stick one by one. Okay. Then, now you fold the paper into half. You should press the paper with your nail. Then, you fold the paper into half again. If you're hard to fold the paper since it's thick, you can use the cap of the glue. Then you open the paper and only one side you fold a door shape. Door shape means this line and the middle line, they meet together. Okay. Then you flip over the paper. Then the another side, you fold the paper 1/5. About 1/5, you fold. Then you flip over the paper again. And then you fold the front again. Okay, then you will put this side on the another side like this, so that you put glue only more than half. Put the glue only more than half. Then there is two blocks here, right? Only first line you put inside. Okay, then you fold this part into half. Now we finished making a phone holder. Now it's time to decorate. So I want to make it colorful, so I will put a paper here. So I need to check the sides. Also side. And according to the line that I fold, I will cut. But friends, if you want a white paper, you don't need to put this colorful paper. This one is just, I want to make it colorful, so I'm putting it, okay? Okay. Now, you put the glue on a paper, only the side of the paper. Okay, and then you put the paper here. Okay, now I already drew a character here. It's a rabbit. So I will put the rabbit here and I will make a hand for it. So you fold. I prepared a piece of white paper. You fold it into half and you draw a hand. Okay, then you cut. It's not must for you to draw a rabbit. You just draw whatever you want. Or if you don't want to decorate it, and if you just leave it like this, you can just leave it. But for me, I want to decorate it. I made a hand. And you fold it into half. Oh, I'm supposed to put here, but I put in the wrong side. So, then here you put a glue, put hand here, and also opposite side. You put a hand for the rabbit, and you fold up it the under part of the rabbit, and then you stick here like this. Okay, you'll put a glue. You put the glue where you fold it. And then lastly, I want to draw a heart on a paper. Pink heart. And also red heart. Friends, we finished making a phone holder. Friends, how was today's class? Was it very interesting and fun? I hope today's class was very interesting to our friends, and I hope it was useful to our friends. Because nowadays, many people, they use smartphone and they watch many dramas in YouTube, right? Also, when you watch Kids Mind, you use this phone holder and you hold the phone and you can watch comfortably, okay? I hope today's class was very useful to our friends, and I hope you could follow well. So, now it's time to end our class. But before we end, if you like this program and would you like to be part of us, you can SMS us through the number on your screen. You can give us a call or send us a picture what you made in this class. Today we made a phone holder, right? Also, we have YouTube and on Facebook, you can search GBS TV Africa. Then you can watch many other episodes. And don't forget to give us a comment, okay? Now it's really time to say goodbye. So until next time, bye bye!